Hi, I'm Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and today we are going to show you how to make these super cute owl earrings that are hanging on twigs. It is using one owl, 2 flower beads, a little chain link that has a rose, and this really nice plaited twig. We are going to show you how to do basic wire wrap. If you don't know how to basic wire wrap, don't worry. We do have a full tutorial on our YouTube channel, and we will link that in the description box below. So the first thing we're going to do is use 4 tools, a chain, round, flat nose, and a cutter to wire wrap. Then we'll use jump rings to attach our components, and you will be able to wear your earrings in less than 5 minutes, maybe 10. The first thing that I'm going to do is basic wire wrap this owl onto the bottom of this rose link. Then I'll wrap these and attach them to the little pieces holding it all together. When you're doing basic wire wrap for multiple components, the easiest thing to do is do it like an assembly line. So the first thing I'll do is with my chain nose plier, I'll pinch above the bead and I'll make a 90-degree angle. So I'll do that for each one. Using the tip of my chain nose plier, I'm pushing forward to a 90-degree angle. The next tool uses the round nose plier. They're rounded from tip to base. If you want, you can make a mark on your tool with your Sharpie pen so that you can have the same size loop every single time. I'm going to bring it butt up right against that 90-degree angle I just made. I'm going to bring the wire up, over, and down. Switch to the bottom jaw, push forward to 45 degrees, and turn to 90, so I get like a really nice lollipop. So I do that on my owl, come up, over, and around till the wire hits the bead, switch to the bottom jaw, push forward to a 45-degree angle, and turn again to make it look like a lollipop. We'll do this one more time. And if I'm going a little too fast for you, please check out our basic wire wrap video. Put that in the description box below so you can link right to it. So I've made 3 loops. Then with my flat nose plier, I'm going to attach the owl to that piece of rose chain. So coating half the loop, I'll open the door, put it through, drop it, and wrap. And pushing with my pointer and wrapping around with my thumb. Okay, the excess wire I'm going to cut off with my really nice Lindstrom cutters. And let that rest here because I'll be attaching it to the twig very soon. This orange flower also gets wrapped. So bring the wire down and around, down and around. Make sure that all your wraps are touching. And do a half turn more so that when the cutter goes in, you don't have to worry about clipping your own loop. So you can end with this wire perpendicular to the loop. Okay, that, and this last piece. Again, pinching it with your flat nose plier. And this is going to be a separate component, so I can wrap this shut. Wire down. Okay. So we are almost done with this earring. Taking my ear wire, opening the loop of the ear wire like you push open a door. I'm going to put the twig in first. And oops, no, let's put in the flower first because that's going to sit on the front of the earring. And before I close it, I'm just going to make sure that they are mirror imaged. And right now, these are facing the same direction. So what I'm going to do is turn my twig the other way so that I can have a mirror imaged earring, okay? So both of my pieces are in my ear wire. I will take the loop and shut the door. I'm gonna take my jump ring and make sure that it's open wide enough to fit in the rose chain link. The flower. And remember, you want this to hang from the front, so when you go into the twig, make sure that the flower ends up hanging on the front side where you can see it of the twig. So this is the finished piece with the owl and the flower, using one jump ring to attach it all together.